Good morning, dear students. Due to this pandemic, as the school decided and the CBSE decided that the students will continue their learning through the online or offline mode. So, in this way, our school decided that just you take the classes, record the lecture, and send to the students. And no doubt in this situation, it is the really a good decision. CBSE also decided to reduce the some syllabus of maybe of all subject. So yet it is not decided ki which topic they are going to be reduced. But as per my view, they will remove the some subtopics related to the non important lessons. So uh, we start our journey from the first chapter of your book, that is the set theory. Okay, so set theory is the part of the logical mathematics. You know very well about the collections, as you are studied about the collection in the earlier classes, and you know very well about the collection in our daily life also. Suppose take the some example. I drawn some pictures on the board, so you can see I drawn here the books, collection of the books. The books may be 3, 4, 10. The collection of pencil, I draw here 4 pencils, but you can think 7, 10, 100 also. Collection of flowers, collection of footballs, collection of glasses. You can think the collection of anything, है ना? Collection of pencil, collection of boys in your school, the collection of teachers in your school, the total number of teachers in your town, the total number of schools in Dhamno, the total number of cities in our state, the total number of states in the country, total number of country in this earth, on the earth. Okay, so there are the many type of collection. Okay, the term is related to the one term is related to the collection is the well defined. The object should be the well defined, must be the well defined, है ना? What do you mean by the well defined, है ना? Means it should not be vary the person to person. If I am talking about 4, so 4 is the fix, है ना? Language may be differ, है ना? In Chinese the pronunciation of 4 is maybe differ, है ना? And Spanish, French, German, the language may be vary, but meaning of 4 means the 4 only. Okay, so it should not be vary the person to person. Suppose I am taking example. Suppose if I am talking about the lizard, है ना? मुझे lizard से डर नहीं लगता, but maybe you do not like the lizard. Like means पसंद नहीं करने से मतलब क्या? नहीं, मुझे डर लगता है या आपको डर नहीं लगता है ना? सो मे बी लाइक एंड डिसलाइक, इस वे में भी एक हो सकता है ना? लाइक एंड डिसलाइक मीन्स आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ लिजर्ड और आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ लिजर्ड, है ना? एंड यू आर अफ्रेड ऑफ लिजर्ड. तो इट डिपेंड ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. मतलब कोई कुत्ते के आने से डर जाता है, कोई कुत्ते के भौंकने से डर जाता है, किसी को शेरों से भी प्यार होता है, कोई अजगर को सीने से लगा के रखता है, और कोई चींटी को भी घर में आने से वो वाइट कलर की चौक से ड्रॉ कर देता है ना. तो ये जो फियर है वो पर्सन टू पर्सन वेरी करता है. सर, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज आई एम टेलिंग यू कि टेल मी द बेस्ट एक्टर्स और बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस, है ना? या टेल मी द नेम ऑफ द 5 एक्टर्स विच यू लाइक वेरी मोस्ट, है ना? हो सकता है आप यू कैन टेल मी द नेम नाना पाटेकर, अमिताभ बच्चन, आफ्ताब शिवदासानी एंड ऋतिक रोशन और ऋषि कपूर सॉरी. तो आप इन 5 का नाम ले सकते हैं, है ना? हो सकता है कि मेरी पसंद में न हो, है ना? सपोज आई एम टेलिंग द माई फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस ऐश्वर्या राय, नरगिस, निरूपा राय एंड साधना, है ना? तो हो सकता है ये आपको पसंद ना आए. तो इट डिफर्स पर्सन टू पर्सन. So I am taking the best or most dangerous. So these are not the appropriate, means it is not, if it is, this type of word exist कि most or best है ना. So in this way we cannot define the collection of the object. We cannot say it is the well defined collection. So that are not the example of the set, but these type of collections are example of the sets. Okay.